I gotta shoot it to you straight. There's just kind of no getting around this one. There's no sugarcoating it. There's no ignoring it and coming back to it later. Businesses need skilled workers. They need people to get in there, jump on their fab lines, fill up their fab shops, and occupy their tools. They need to get the work done, and they want the right person for the job. The only problem is they have a plethora of people to choose from right now, and that makes you no better than anybody else. So who are you? You're either one of two types of people in this world. You're either the person trying to get your foot in the door to gain that experience and those skills that they require, but for some reason, nobody will hire you to give you those skills. Or you're the type of person that's already in the door and you're trying to move up, but for some reason you keep on getting passed over to somebody else, that got the job when you should have had the job because you feel you are more than qualified and experienced, but for some reason they had something that was better than you. What you need is what they want, and what they want is certification. What they want is something that says that you invested into yourself and you are dead serious and you are the right person for this job. They want to know that you are ready to solidify your position in this company or in this career and move on. What do you need? You need to take full advantages of this opportunity that we have set up. The Fabrication Series is teamed up with Nate Bowman, a CWE, CWS, CWI, and he is coming out here to get you friggin' certified. That's right. All you got to do is book your appointment, show up, pass your test, which is very easy to do, and get friggin' certified. Let's prove to everybody else that you are ready to get yourself moving, that you are investing into your future and your career. Here's all your details.
Now this AWS certification is D1.3, structural steel on sheet metal. This will qualify you to weld in any position on mild steel with either MIG or TIG. This event is set up for you to either choose MIG, TIG, or both. They are separate certifications. Now grab yourself something to take some notes on or come back to this video and make sure you write all this down because all of this information is exactly what you need to get prepared. If you choose to certify with MIG welding, the test will be an overhead test on 11 gauge A36 steel in a T-joint configuration. The machine will be set to 350 inches per minute at 19 volts. The wire diameter will be 0.35 and will be running 75-25 gas. The length of the weld is 1 inch long and you will be required to make 2 separate welds, which both have to pass. If you choose to certify on TIG, this will be an overhead test in a T-joint configuration on 11 gauge A36 steel with 332 tungsten, 1/16 filler rod on 110 amps. The length of the weld is 1 inch long and you will be required to make 2 separate welds, which both have to pass. Each time slot is allotted for up to 1 hour of practice time before your test. The test can be done in as little as 5 minutes. If it survives a bend test that looks like this, you pass. It's that easy. And the success rate, let's just say that just about anybody can pass this test with minimal experience, which makes it very, very easy to do. Now this is not a class, but I will be there offering some advice to get the very best weld laid down that you possibly can in order to pass this test. Now, should you feel the need for additional coaching or training before you actually take the test or before your time slot is allotted, you can add an additional hour for an additional cost. This basically means that I'm going to stand by you and make sure that you have everything that you need in order to pass this test, or at least give you a pretty good shot when it comes down to it. It's a little additional training, it's a little extra something just to make sure that you have what you need. This is a pretty good idea if you are limited on experience.
So a couple of things. We chose SEMA week for one very important reason. One, a lot of people are going to be here. Two, on Saturday, the day that after everybody leaves, the cheapest flights are coming in. Las Vegas is like the cheapest friggin' destination in the entire world, and there's always a flight coming in and out of here. You can arrive and leave on the same day, and it's dirt cheap because it's one of the most popular destinations in the entire world. So seriously, no excuses. You can get out here and you can try this. The second thing, I've trained a lot of people to run this mock-up test. Now, I can't certify because I'm not a CWI yet, but at the same time, this test is super easy to pass, and people with literally 8 hours of experience or even less than that have passed the mock-up test when I have administered them. So if that counts for anything, hey, trust me, it's super easy to pass. So I truly hope that everybody takes this seriously, and I hope that everybody has the opportunity to get their career moving, and I really want to help you. So if you are serious about getting going, book your seat, show up, let us take care of the rest. If you got any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you. You can always contact us in the Fabrication Series website, Instagram at the.fabricator, or facebook.com/thefabricatorseries. You got any questions, want to know how to get this thing done, give me a shout. I'll make sure I get back to you. I'll see you guys in the next episode, and I really hope that you're out here to get friggin' certified.